Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hipshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 2nd of October 2021 and today's discussion topic is abstraction. Before starting our discussion topic abstraction, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatray Mulik. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from GH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management Wagholi Pune and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Series College of Engineering and Polytechnic Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about our discussion topic, that is discussion about the abstraction. Firstly, I will see what is an abstraction. Abstraction means it is a one type of blueprint of a class. In an abstraction, there may be a method present which may be an abstract method or non-abstract method, that is a concrete method. Both methods will be present in may be present in the abstraction, or that is an abstract class. Firstly, if you want to achieve an abstraction, there are two methods to achieve an abstraction. First one is the by using abstract class and second one is the by using an interface. In an abstract class, we achieve an abstraction from 0% to 100%. Means in between that percentage we will get that abstraction. But in case of an interface, we will get abstraction 100% completely, because in an interface the method present in an interface all are abstract methods. But in case of an abstract class, the method present in an abstract class may be abstract methods or may not be abstract method. Means if the method present in an abstract class are completely abstract method, then we will get an 100% abstraction. But if there is no any method present in an abstract class, if there is no any abstract method present in an abstract class, then we will not get any abstraction, that is we will get an 0% of abstraction. That's all about the abstraction. Now we will see what is an abstract method. Firstly, if we talk about an abstract method, that method gives only functionality, but its implementation is not given in an abstract class. That's about the abstract method. Means if we talk about an abstract method, the body of an method is not present in an abstract class. That's abstract method. Means on a single line that method will be declared by using access modifier like public, then return type, and then method name, and then semicolon is used because that method has no body present in an abstract class. That's about the abstract method. Now the keyword used for declaring an abstract class is an abstract. Means before declaring a class we must use that keyword, that is an abstract. And for declaring also a method which is an abstract method, the keyword is used as abstract. But if we not using that keyword, then compiler by default give that keyword to that method to declare it as abstract. And again one condition is used to give the implementation of that abstract method present in abstract class. The method which are abstract methods present in an abstract class, that method must be override in an other class, that is the child class. Means that abstract class will be extended by the child class, because if you want the implementation of that method, abstract method, then that method will be override in that child class. It is compulsory to override that abstract method in a child class. And that's about an override of an abstract method. The abstract class must be extended by the child class for declaring that abstract methods by using an keyword extends. Means if you talk about an interface, if you talk about comparison between an interface and an abstract class, in interface we can achieve multiple inheritance, but in case of the abstract class we can't achieve an multiple inheritance. That's about the multiple inheritance. Now we will talk if we will get real-time example of an abstract class or abstraction, that is Now we will see one example, that is car. Example of a car. We know the use of a gear, accelerator and clutch, but in a backend what it works we don't know. Means we know only the functionality of the gear, accelerator or clutch, but how it works we don't know. Like that, the methods gives only the method, that is abstract method declared in an abstract class, only gives functionality, but its implementation is not given in an abstract class. That's about the abstract class. So again we will see one example like mobile, like for sending message, like that example, some of the examples of that abstract real time example, compare it in comparison with an abstraction. That's all about the abstraction. Now we will now for declaring an variable in an abstract class, there will be no any access modifier, there is no any compulsory word is used before declaring an variable. But in case of interface, the keyword used before declaring an variable in an interface, that is public static final. But in case of abstract class it is not a compulsory. That's all about the abstraction or abstract class. Thank you.